Hi, let's see how to install Docker in Linux. Okay, for this I'm choosing AWS instance. Why? Because my operating system is not supportive for Docker. I'm choosing AWS instance for our practice. Okay, going to EC2, just go to the services, click on EC2, and there is some network fluctuation here today. Okay, go to EC2 and click on launch instance, and I'm going to choose this the first instance as they have already added this Docker repository. That means you can M repository has been already added in this instance, in this AMI. So let's select this makes my job easier. So T2.micro default processor and one instance, only one computer, and default network, let it be everything, and go to the add storage. This is fine for me. Initial root volume is more than enough for me. Just go to tags, and these tags are not mandatory. Just go to here and security group. Okay, so I'm going to select the existing one, so which must have which must allow 22 port number. Okay, so go to the review and launch. Okay, so everything is fine. Go to the launch, click on launch. I'm going to choose the existing one, existing key pair. ADW I already have Sydney, I think. Okay, let's go for Sydney launch instance. Okay, the server will be up in 2 minutes. View instances. Right, this is right now it is in the pending state. Once it comes to the running state, then only you will be able to connect this instance. Okay, so this time I'm going to connect this Linux server through PuTTY. Okay, so let's open the PuTTY and exit this, open PuTTY. Okay, and give the let it come up first. Now it came to the running state. This is how it should display here. Now just copy this DNS name or public IP address. Copy public IP address, copy it, and give this IP address in the host name, and you have to pass SSH key file under SSH authentication. Browse the PPK file. Okay, for PuTTY you have to pass PPK file, not PEM. Okay, you have to pass PPK file, PuTTY private key. Okay, so I think I already have it. Oh, it is not there. Okay, so I only have PEM file. Okay, let me convert this. How to convert? Just load that existing PEM file, open. Okay, loaded, and save the private key. Save it as a Sydney. Okay, I'm going to give the same name, but the extension is different. Extension is PPK. Save. So now I have PEM and PPK. So I have to pass this PPK file. If you can see the content of these two content is different. Okay, if you can see the content of these two files, this is PEM file format, this is PPK file format. Okay, this is only used for PuTTY. This can be used in SSH any other terminal. Okay, right, and so let's pass this under authentication. Browse that PPK file. I'm choosing PPK file because PuTTY. I'm trying to open the PuTTY, and pass the username under the data. Username, what is the username? How can I know? Okay, how can I? Just click on connect. So most of the Linux boxes do have EC2-user as a default user. Okay, give EC2-user. You can also see it here, EC2-user. Right, so just select that mission and click on connect. It will display here, EC2-user. So now what are the things I have passed? Under section I have passed the public IP, under data username, under SSH authentication I have passed the ppk file. Okay, ppk file, right? So total 3 things like user you mention name, user ID, password. Password is this ppk file, right? Just click on open now, right? Yes, and now it's connecting, getting connected. Perfect, I'm able to connect this. So I am going to switch to root. Okay, sudo su. Okay, I have switched the user to root. Why? Because I want to install something. If you can see docker here, docker is not there. Okay, now let's install. Just run the command called yum space install docker, docker. Okay, so I'm going to check again, right? I'm just docker space -v. It is not there. Okay, I'm going to install it, yum space install docker. Okay, just run. It will ask, okay, confirmation. Click on y, enter y. Yes, it is getting installed, yes, perfect. Now you run the command docker space -v. See this? If you are able to see this docker version here, that means your docker installation has been done successfully, right? So let's run one image in this mission. Okay, in the docker. Okay, let's run a image. Okay, I don't have the images, I guess, because it's a fresh installation, I know. Okay, docker images, there are no images at all. Right. So the thing here is, what it is showing is cannot connect to the docker daemon. Okay, is the docker daemon is running? It is asking whether it is running or not, right? So let's see the status of this. Okay, so service docker status. What is the status? It is in the stopped state. Okay, we have to start it, only then you can run the docker. Okay, so now you see the status. Now docker is running. Now you will be able to download the images. Now you will be able to run all the commands. Now you see the docker images, right? So there are no images at all. Now let's see a simple image, docker space hello world, docker space search hello world. Okay, I'm searching this hello world image. Okay, in where official docker hub. Okay, so this is hello world, this is a hello world, an example minimal docker image. Okay, this is officially they are supporting. Okay, so let's pull this. Okay, let's pull this one. Command here is to get the image called docker space pull hello world. I'm just downloading one image which is very default. Everybody do download this. Okay, so docker space images, you can see under the images now hello world image is there. Okay, so when you run, okay, let me run this one, only then this image will become container. Container means a operating system which is running. Okay, so once you run this image, your container will get created. Okay, whether any containers are running so far, let's see, docker space ps. Okay, there are no containers here, container id nothing. Okay, let's run this container, docker space run space -itd and give the image name. Now it has showed the image id. Okay, make a note of this. At the right now root at your same mission 157 only. You see the ps command now. Okay, right now it is nothing is running still. Why? Right, hello world would have came up and came exited also. To see that docker space -a, see this, it is in the exited status. Okay, for this it's better if you can download ubuntu image. Okay, let's download the ubuntu image. Docker pull ubuntu. Okay, I'm downloading this ubuntu image from docker hub to my local. Okay, it will take a while to download. Okay, Docker images. Now you can see two images are there, Docker PS. Okay, none of the containers are running right now. PS is will display only running images. PS space -a will display all the containers which ran and which exited also, both the things. Okay, it display all, it display only running images, right? So let's run Ubuntu image. Let's run Ubuntu. Okay, Docker space run -itd space give Ubuntu. Just give, that's it. Now you can see Docker space PS, it is up now. Right now in your mission, one Ubuntu server is running. How can I know? Right, I'm still in the same mission. If you can see host name is showing 157 right now. Let's connect to this mission, this container, that is Ubuntu. Okay, how to connect this? Docker space attach space give the container ID. Now if you can notice this, I switch to container ID. You can see, you give the host name. Now host name, it is showing container ID. It is not your Red Hat or Amazon mission. Now right now you are in the container. Okay, you are inside the Ubuntu now. Okay, you name, it is yeah, Ubuntu is also Linux, Amazon is also Linux. Okay, you can only see the difference here is host name, this one, right? And so this is how you can run multiple images. You can connect, do some activity in the server, and came out of this. To come out of this, just give Control PQ. Now you came out of the container. I think your container is still running. PS, it is still running. Okay, so now you see the host name, it will display 157. Okay, when you are inside the container, it is displaying your container ID. Okay, so this is how we have to install the Docker, and we have to download the images and pull the images and run the images in your Docker machine. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching Advith DevOps World for many more videos in future. Thank you.